Hello and good morning. Today's the day where I finally will go in the rainforest, and I already had a really nice stay over at this place where this is what you see. Yeah, in the nighttime you hear all the nice insects and everything, nature sounds. It's just amazing. Yeah, and now I got a really nice Sri Lankan breakfast. It's coconut roti with some coconut sambal, and I will take this also as a proviant. This is really good to make you full. Some bananas, of course, and I got one of the most tastiest teas I ever tasted. It's called Sicilian tea, and it's also grown here. I have a feeling I could live here, really. Yeah, so let's go on this tour. See you! Now I'm on the way to the entrance and just past this nice river I wanted to show you. And here we also have, of course, some gods, especially also if you enter trekking or rainforest, they usually, before they pray that everything will be fine. Yes, and now I need to search where I have to go. There is the first animal, the little squirrel. Oh, baby. Ah, Sinharaja office complex. I think here we are right. It's not so easy to find anything here because really you don't have any signal. It's not possible to find anything with the internet. So you really have to rely on the people and the signs and your little bit of Sinhala knowledge. Otherwise you're a bit upset. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like if you like, and also to subscribe and tick the bell if you want to get more updates. See you next week!